Welcome to KSK Educational Channel. How to learn English in the month of 3 months. Is it possible to learn English in 90 days? Do you believe? Yes, I believe that I make you speak in English within 90 days. How much money can you pay? Really, I am saying that I am the best example. I am completely from my education Telugu medium and government institutions. But when I completed my graduation, I did not know even how to give self introduction within one or two sentences. It means that what is your name, where are you from, what is your educational background. And during my MBA, I struggled a lot to speak in English. I concentrated more on my English language developing skills rather than my academic subjects. It might be I did not settle in MBA, but I feel very comfortable and I feel very proud being as English lecturer. Okay, I learned English within 6 months without knowing any basics. It means that even I don't know that I didn't know when I was learning English uh, how to talk and at least how to request also I don't know. I felt very shy to speak in English when I was learning, but when I overcome the shyness, I started learning English. Really, you don't believe that. I took one example of my student and I gave him a task. Within 30 days, I make you to speak in English. But really, after 30 days, the guy called me and was speaking in English for 30 minutes. Really, I felt very happy. It means that to learn any language, I don't think that only in that English language, for any language, but you should have the curiosity to learn English. But you want to learn English, but you don't speak in English. How do you come to English? Okay, I am going to give that open challenge. Many of the institution directors and teachers say that it is not possible to learn in English 90 days, 30 days. I think that to learn any language, 90 days is the minimum and the maximum is uh, 6 months is a maximum. Yes, 100%. Within 90 days, if you have the basics, I will make you speak in English. I'll be careful, observe what I am speaking. I'm not going to say that to make you write that English. I'm going to say that to speak in English in a 90 days. Yes. Is it possible? 100% it is possible. As a buffalo keeper also can learn English in 90 days. Yes. Maximum you students don't know that you people are very good at listening, very good at writing, very good at reading, but you are zero at speaking because lack of confidence. When you are speaking English, if it is an error, how the others will feel? Always you think about the others. That is the reason you are not going to learn that English language. Simple, I give one example. If you want to learn that swimming, you have to jump into the water. Without jumping into the water, how do you learn English? Give me that answer. The same thing for any language, for any activity, first you have to jump into the problem. Really, I am giving that instruction. If you want to learn that English language, today onwards, now itself you start speaking in English, listening in English, watching in English. You have to sacrifice all your desires. Yes. But you want to learn English, but you watch in Telugu. But you want to speak in English, but you want to listen in English. Sorry, you want to listen in your Telugu language. How do you speak in English, man? It's not possible. I'm really saying that English is the professional language and it is a very good employability language, I can say that. As an intermediate student, if you are able to speak in English, if you are able to convince in English to the others, you will get the very good salary. Almost if you go to any BPO centers, you will get the minimum 20,000 salary. Man. Really, I am saying that. Okay, but English is a very professional language. English is a very employability language. You try to learn English language without knowing that English language, without speaking in English language, whatever the course you do, you will be somewhere, you will be stick somewhere. It means that if you want to improve your professional career life, you want to communicate with others. See that I am from the Telangana. If I speak that only Telugu, but I can communicate only Telugu and Andhra Pradesh. But what about others? My friend was from the Assam. We had an agreement. He knows Hindi. Even I too know Hindi. But he doesn't know Telugu. I doesn't know Assam. We had two common language. One is the Hindi. The second one is the English language. But we made one agreement that whatever it may be, anybody come to my room, we have to speak only in English language. Really, if you believe or not, I don't know that. I used to call to my mom, my family weekly once on Sundays. Except to that, my family, I couldn't speak in my Telugu language almost for the 3 months. If I go to the market, I could communicate only in Hindi. If I go to any market, any shopping malls, I could try to communicate in English. Whether it is good or bad, I don't know, but I try to manage it that I am not from the Telangana. It means that I am from somewhere south or North India. It means that I don't know the regional language. I try to manage Hindi or English. That is the reason. Within the 6 months, I became very good, fluent English speaker. I say that. It's a very proud. After that, it is a basic information I am giving. If you are wanted to learn that English language, you have to start it. After 3 months or 4 months, then you try to find out that what is the error you are going to speak it. Then yourself you will going to be overcome. Always I am going to say that nobody is a perfect speaker in English language in the world. Always remember there are some grammar mistakes might be there. Okay, you don't think that while learning that English language, grammar is a very big threat. No, not. It's not like that. Language is nothing but we have to convince our thoughts and ideas to others. Others should be understood what we are going to say. That same thing we have to understand what others are going to say. That the language is nothing but exchange of ideas and thoughts. Okay, any language. Okay, try to subscribe my channels, like and share, and write your comments. Okay, I'm going to start some live video calls how to learn English language, and at the same time I give a time to speak in English 15 minutes every day for the some specific who are interested to learn English language. But after some time I am going to start the channel. Okay, I hope that it is very useful information, I think you. Okay, if it is not, you can skip the channel. Okay, if it is interested, if it is useful for you, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody watching this video.